Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 food stand mixer of 2025. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Cheftronic SM961 Food Stand Mixer. The Cheftronic SM961 stand mixer is a powerful 1300W kitchen companion, perfect for home baking enthusiasts. Its 5L tilt head design makes mixing effortless, and the 6+P speed settings provide versatility for various recipes. Equipped with a food beater, butter beater, and electric blender, it handles everything from kneading dough to whipping cream efficiently. The sturdy build ensures durability, while the UK plug adds convenience. A great value mixer for consistent results in both everyday cooking and special baking projects. Number 4. Esyhey 1510X Food Stand Mixer. The Esyhey 1510X fully automatic dough kneading machine is a compact yet powerful kitchen gadget perfect for home or light commercial use. Its efficient design handles dough kneading effortlessly, saving time and effort for baking enthusiasts. The machine operates smoothly and ensures consistent results, making it ideal for bread, pizza, or pastry preparation. Its sturdy build and user-friendly interface make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. A reliable and space-saving solution for bakers of all levels. Number 3. Oloey SM210 Food Stand Mixer. The Oloey SM210 3-in-1 stand mixer is a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse. With a 1500W motor and a generous 5.5L bowl, it handles dough mixing, meat grinding, and food blending effortlessly. Its 6 adjustable speed settings provide precision for various tasks, while the durable design ensures reliability. Perfect for small households, it combines versatility with efficiency, saving space and time in the kitchen. A great choice for home cooks seeking a compact, powerful, and multifunctional kitchen companion. Number 2. Sunatur SM15110N/NL Food Stand Mixer. The Sunatur SM15110N/NL stand mixer boasts a generous 10L capacity, making it perfect for large batches of dough or cake batter. Its planetary mixing motion ensures thorough and consistent blending, while the powerful motor handles tough kneading with ease. Ideal for baking enthusiasts or small commercial use, this versatile appliance includes multiple attachments for various kitchen tasks. The sleek design and durable construction add style and reliability to your kitchen. A practical, high-performance choice for serious bakers. Number 1. BioloMix BM601 Food Stand Mixer. The BioloMix BM601 stand mixer features a 6L capacity and a quiet 1200W DC motor, making it ideal for efficient and noise-free kitchen use. With 6 adjustable speeds, it easily handles tasks like whipping cream, whisking eggs, and kneading dough. The durable design ensures stability during operation, while its versatility caters to various baking and cooking needs. Compact yet powerful, this mixer is perfect for home bakers seeking convenience and reliable performance. It's a must-have addition to modern kitchens. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.